Welcome. Next day. I don't really want to move. 10 a.m. What a cute place to sleep. There's a beach. I need to go to Burger King, McDonald's, search everything. People. Wow, this looks amazing. It's not the best idea to walk in the middle of the day in Spain. I know why they have siesta. It's too hot. 31 degrees Celsius. Market, save me. €8 for ice cream, oranges. Beaches in Spain are pretty flat. Walk. I'm gonna walk there. Arrested. Let's walk more. Still walking. On my way to McDonald's. They have a game here. Do this quickly. Maki. They don't have any like power sockets in this McDonald's. Asked someone in the store and I found one. Oof. Okay, edited video, uploaded. Wow. They have a cute restaurant. Crazy. Really nice boat club here and then. Do I miss clubbing? A little bit. That's creepy. Sandals are like breathable but so uncomfortable. They tear my skin. I finish my day on a random beach in of pineapple juice. Hiking really fucked up trail. I think I'm going back. This downhill is too hard even for me. Cova Talada. I need to check it out on the internet, okay?